Hey, good day everybody, this is Natasha and I have part 2 of my Brambleberry unboxing and review of some scents that I got for this fall. So we're going to get straight into this video, no wasting time, we don't got time to waste time. So the first fragrance that I'm going to discuss, or excuse me, essential oil, is Lavender 4042. Now again, like I said, this is an essential oil and it is a very potent fragrance or essential oil, so very little goes a long way. I have used this in my lavender African black soap. It gives off a very beautiful scent once it hits steam and water. So if you're thinking about, or if you're in the market of looking for good lavender, I suggest this one. Brambleberry does have another one that I'm willing to try. I will review that one also, but this one I really like it, and I like how it behaves in soap also because it doesn't accelerate trace. Next up is Energy. I really love this fragrance, you guys, and one of the main reasons why I love it is because it's very forgiving in cold processed soap. It definitely gives you time to make great designs, intricate designs, and that's why I love this fragrance. It does discolor to off-white, but that's not a big deal if you use some titanium dioxide, and it has a fruity scent to it. Some of the scent notes: grapefruit, lemon, lime, cucumber, jasmine, pineapple, blackberry, and champagne. I mean, what kind of champagne though? I mean, is it Chardonnay or Pinot Meunier? I mean, we need to know specifically, Brambleberry, what kind of champagne, you know, determines the type of soap we're making. So I do get grapefruit, jasmine, I get blackberry, and maybe a little of the champagne, but it's a beautiful fragrance. It's very forgiving, like I said, and it has a citrusy kind of backdrop to it. Next up is Jade. Now, if you have watched my last video or my earlier videos, you know how much I love this scent. I recently made my vineyard picnic soap with it and it came out awesome. I was able to do the designs I needed to do with this fragrance. It behaves really well in cold processed soap. Some of the notes are lemon, grapefruit, English ivy, jasmine, green apple, neroli, musk, vanilla, and fern moss. I do get the jasmine, I get musk, I get maybe some grapefruit. I'm not getting lemon, maybe the fern moss, and a little of that vanilla. But it's a beautiful scent. It behaved very well, and you don't need a lot of it. It's a very an elegant scent. I will give you that. It is a very elegant type of scent, and it doesn't discolor your soap, so you don't have to worry about doing a white soap or a light color soap and it is turning yellow. So guys, this one is definitely a winner for me. I love it. It's in the fruit family, so it's supposed to have a fruity scent, but give it a try. You'll love it. Get a sample. Next up is Cranberry Fig. This is definitely a fall scent. I decided to take a chance on this fragrance. I have not used it in any soap. Some of the notes that it has is cranberry fig, blood orange, and pink grapefruit. When I smell it, I do get the pink grapefruit. I definitely get that. I get a little of the cranberry, and I would say maybe a touch of the fig. This does have mild acceleration in cold processed soap, so you have to be careful. You may not want to do too much of a detailed design in it, but the good thing is it does not discolor your soap. This probably will make a good candle. It has like that scent to it. It does smell like if you go too crazy, it'll be too strong. So I like it. I'm not put off by it. I can't wait to try it in my cold process soap. So guys, next up is Youre Laying. Now you talk about controversy. Okay, so this is definitely an expensive fragrance. I mean, 1.75 ounces of this is about $15. It has a beautiful scent to it. It's supposed to be considered an essential oil because it does come directly from a flower. However, the reason why I say there's some controversy is because on the website it doesn't say that is 100% Youre Laying. It says that it's 80% Youre Laying essential oil blended with 20% nature identical oils to boost the scent. So a lot of people kind of not liking the fact that it's not 100% Youre Laying. It is a beautiful scent. It does accelerate in cold processed soap, so you do have to be careful, and it does discolor your soap to off-white. This is another one of those elegant kind of, uppity, I'm stush, I'm rich kind of scents. It smells elegant though. It does match, but you have to know how to use this scent, especially with the cost. You have to know how to use this scent in your product itself. I definitely would definitely do some testing before you decide to go too crazy. Now, you guys, Youre Laying is supposed to have like a deep floral scent profile with notes of jasmine and neroli, banana paired with a creamy custard. This fragrance is just very exotic. It's very fun. It's fresh. It's sweet. But you really have to know how to mix your fragrances to get it to rise to the best occasion for your products. So guys, I hope this video was able to help you make some decisions before you spend all your coin and get disappointed. So I hope I was able to help you guys out. This was a fun video for me. And always please protect your energy, and please check out some more of my videos. That means you should be clicking on the video on the left or right, please. Thank you. Appreciate it. See you guys in the next video. Later.